Welcome to all. Today I am going to start new chapter, a new chapter that is of term 2 syllabus, and the chapter name is factor. In this one we will learn what is factor. What is factor? In this one example is given here, 18. How this 18 we can write in different ways. See, this 18 camels we can arrange in one row. This 18 camels we can arrange in two line. This 18 camel we can arrange in three line. It means we have to do equal in all the lines. So 1 into 18, 2 into 9 and 3 into 6 is known as 18. So what we can say here, the numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called its factors. So these are the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. In this one, some important points are there. 1 is its smallest factor. 1 is the factor of every number. Every number, 1 is the factor. Then 18 is the greatest factor. Every number is the greatest factor of itself. Suppose we will find the factor of 24. So the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is 24. And the last point, every factor of 18 is less than or equal to 18 and the factor of numbers are equal to or less than that number. So 18 factor is not more than 18. It can be equal to 18 and it is less than 18. After that, we will see finding factors of a number by two methods. First one is multiplication and one more method is that is division. So in this first one, find the factor of 20 using multiplication. So in this one, we can try 1 into 20, yes. Then 2 into 10, yes. And 3 into what number? 3 into no number. Then 4 into 5, yes. Then stop. Why? We have already found 5 to be a factor of 20. So in this one, the 20 factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. In this one, this try this also given 40. So we can do it like this. So one more thing we can see this 20 means just now I told one point, the factor will equal to 20 or less than 20, not more than 20. Next is method number 2, using division. So in this one, these are the dancers, they are dancing. 30 dancers are there. So they will show their performance at the Mela. So we can arrange first 30 divided by 1, we get 30. Then 30 divided by 2, we get 15. Then 30 divided by 3, then we get 10. 30 divided by 4. So in this one, that 4 circle we cannot draw. So that number will left out. Then 30 divided by 5, we get 6. So these are the factors of 30. So how we can write here factors of 30? 30 equals to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15 and 30. So these are the factors of 30. Next, some examples. Find the factors of 24 using division. So we know that 24 means that 5 into 5 is greater than 24. It means that less than 5 number, the factor of 24. So try with the divisor up to 4 only. 24 divided by 1, we get 24. 24 divided by 2, we get 12. 24 divided by 3, we get 8. 24 divided by 4, we get 6. Till 4 only we have to find. So these are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. See, one more example is here. Is 3 a factor of 54? So we can check by the division. If the number will full divisible and there is no remainder, so yes. If number is not completed, it means the remainder will be there. So that number is not a factor of the given number. Next is find the factors of 23. So 23 divided by 1 only. So in this one, so these are the examples for finding the factors. One more point, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factor, that is 1 and the number itself. Exercise 5a. In this one, use multiplication to find the factor. So here 20. 20 means same number. 5 5s are 25 and 20. So we get factor till 4 only. So we can do it like this. 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20 and this 3 number will not go and 4 5s are 20. Next 55 and 12. 55 in this one. 1 into 55, then 55 will come. Then 2, it will not go. 3, it will not go. 4, it will not go. Then 5 11s are 55, this much only. And the last we can say that the same number can repeated here, 11 into 5. In this one, this will not go. 12 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12 and that 5 number will not go by 12 table. So in this one no, and then 6 2s are 12. So these are the factors of 12. Next, use division to find the factors of. Just now the division method we have done it. See, the same thing we can do it here. 15 divided by 1, 15. 15 divided by 2, it will not go. 15 divided by 3, 5. 15 divided by 4, it will not go. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, these two more questions I have solved here. You can see once. And the question number 5 is that true and false only, so you can do it in your notebook. Now question number 6, application in real life. A bookshop helper had to keep 36 books in equal piles. What are the different piles of equal numbers of books that he can arrange? So in this one, what are the different piles of equal numbers of arrangement that we have to find? So the number of different piles of equal numbers of books, he can make it equal to the number of the factors of 36. So in this one, factors of 36, we know that the factor of 36 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These are the factors of 36. So how to arrange it? This we can see here. See, he can make 36 piles with each pile having one book. Then he can make 18 piles in 2. Then he can make 12 piles in 3. Then he can arrange 9 piles in 4. Then he can arrange 6 piles in 6. Then he can arrange 4 piles with 9. Then 12. Then 18 like this. Then 36 like this. Okay, next same question here. The PT teacher is making his class of 40 children stand in a row. What are the different numbers of rows he can make such that each row has the same number of children? So he can arrange in one row of 40 children, two row of 20 children, four row of 10 children, then five row of 8, then 40 row of 1, 20 row of 2, 10 row of 4 and 8 row of 5. So he can arrange in 8 different way. Next, rules of divisibility. In this one, certain rules of divisibility we can learn here. So in this one, in your syllabus, only 5 are there. The first one is a number is. So divisibility means, what is the meaning of divisibility? When we do the division with respect of rules of divisibility, easily we can find divisible by which number. So a number is divisible by 2. So the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So it can go by 2 table. 5. If the last number is 0 and 5, it can go by 5 table. A number divisible by 10 rules is the last digit is 0. So these are the rules of 2, 5 and 10. In other side, these are the rules for 3 and 9. What is the rule of 3 and 9? Whatever number given, in that number you have to do sum of all the digits is divisible by, it means we have to add. Suppose example is 27. 27 means 2 plus 7. It means 9 will come. So that 9 means it can go by 3 table as well as 9 table. Next example, 6, 0. It means 60. 60 means 6 plus 0 is 6. So that 6 can go in 3 table. Yes. But 6 cannot go in by 9 table. So it is going only by 2 table. So in this rule, a number is divisible by 3 means then the sum of the digit may be 3, 6 and 9. But in 9, only 9 will come. So these are the examples given here. You can go through once. Now in this one, put a tick if the number is divisible and cross if the number is not. One has been done for you. Divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. See, 15. 15 can go by 2 table? No. 15 can go by 3? Yes. 15 can go by 5? Yes. 15 can go by 9? No. 15 can go by 10? No. 20. 20 can go by 2? Yes, because last digit is 0. Then 2 plus 0 is 2 only and 2 will not come in 3 table. 5. 5 fours are 20. Yes. 9. No. 10. Yes. Like this we have to do. In this side 28. 28. The last number is 8. It can go by 2 table. Then 3. 3 means sum. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 will not come in 3 table. 5. The last place will be 0 and 5. No. Then 9. 9 also. Then 10. 10 also will not go. So like this we have to do all the questions. Building factor tree. Building factor tree means we have to make tree with that numbers only. See how we can write 8. We can write 8 2 into 4. These are the two factors. And how to write 8 in 3 factors? This 2 remains same and this 4 we can write 2 into 2. So in this one we can write like this 8, then 2 and 4. And 4 we can write 2 and 2. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in this one more example is given here, that is 30. So how to find the factor tree of 30? We know that 30 will come in 5 and 6. 5 6 are 30, and this 5 will come in only 5 tables, so 5 remains same, and 6 we can write 3 into 2. So the factor of 30 is 5 into 3 into 2. So these are some more examples of factor tree method. The next one is common factor. In this one, common factor, stall. In this one example is given here. The examples: 12 small puppets and 16 large puppets. So we have to find the common factor. So how to find the common factor? First we can find the factor of 12. Factor of 12 means in which number 12 will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And in which number 16 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 and 16. So now see, in this 12 and in this 16, what are the common numbers? Common number is 1, 2 and 4. So the common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. Clear? So 1, 2 and 4, these are the common factor. Next, exercise 5C. In this one, we have to solve by using factor tree method. 27. We know that in 27, what number we can multiply by 3? We get 27. We multiply by 9. 9 3s are 27. This 3 and this 3 remain same. How to write 9? 3 into 3 is 9. Same here. How this 20 will come? If we multiply 4 into 5, 20 will come. How this 4 we can write? 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4 will come. So this is known as factor tree method. Next, make a factor tree for each of this. Do not use 1 as a factor. It means 1 we don't have to use. How to write 8? This 2 4s are, and this 2 remains same, and this 4 we can write 2 into 2. 15, 3 into 5, because after that, why this last number is 2, then we have not do anything, because this prime number we get in factor tree method, then only it is completed. So 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Now 32. How to write 32? 4 and 8. So how to write 4? 2 and 2. And how to write 8? 2 and 4. So in this one, these all the numbers are multiplied to each other. Okay. So in this one, these all the numbers are multiplied to each other. So like this we can do it. Then find the factors of these numbers and write the common factor. That example we have done, that 12 and 16. The same thing we can do it here. 6 and 8. Factor of 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. So common factor is 1, 1, 2, 2. So these are the common factor. The same thing you can represent in this circle. 10 and 14. So factor of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factor of 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. So what are the common factor? 1 and 2. This you can represent here. One more question I have solved. You can go through once. Next, find the common factor. So in this one, the same thing we can do. 4. Factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Factor of 5 is 1 and 5. The common factor is 1, because the 1 is common in both the numbers. Next is 13 and 36. How to write 13? 1 and 13. And how to write 36? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the factors of 36. Only 1 is common. So we can write it like this. One more question here. 12 and 4, and the last question 30 and 45. So we can find the factor of 30 first. That will come 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. And factor of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So the common factor is 1, 3, 5, 15. So these are the common factors. So now after this, let's see recap of this chapter, and this chapter is completed only in one video. In this one, we have learned factors, finding factors of a number by using two methods, multiplication as well as division. Rules of divisibility by 2, 5, 10, 3 and 9. Building factor tree and the common factor. Thank you. And for worksheet, you can refer a link given in the description box. Goodbye.